Welcome back to Rightful Mindset. Today, we're diving deep into common health mistakes people make in their 30s, 40s, and 50s, and more importantly, how to fix them. Health isn't just about avoiding illness, it's about thriving physically, mentally, and emotionally. Many people focus on work, family, and responsibilities, and forget that small daily choices add up over time. The good news is, no matter your age, making small changes now can set the stage for a longer, healthier, and happier life. Let's break it down by decade. Mistakes in your 30s. In your 30s, life is busy, often filled with career building, raising a family, or figuring out long-term goals. It's easy to put your health on the back burner, but the habits you create now will affect your 40s and beyond. Common mistakes in your 30s: neglecting exercise. Many think they have time to start later, but a sedentary lifestyle now can lead to weight gain, poor posture, and low energy. Start with short workouts or simple home exercises. Even 15 to 20 minutes counts. Poor sleep habits. Skipping sleep for work or social life affects hormones, memory, and mood. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep is crucial for long-term health. Skipping preventive care. Blood work, dental checkups, and physical exams are easy to postpone, but early detection prevents bigger problems. Unhealthy diet choices. Processed foods, sugary snacks, and frequent takeout may seem convenient, but they can affect heart health, weight, and energy. Focus on balanced meals with vegetables, protein, and healthy fats. Ignoring mental health, stress, anxiety, and even burnout often appear unnoticed. Mindfulness, journaling, therapy, or regular relaxation practices help protect your mind as much as your body. Pro tip: schedule workouts and sleep as appointments. Meal prep in advance to avoid unhealthy choices, and track your sleep and energy patterns to make improvements gradually. Mistakes in your 40s. By your 40s, the body starts to change more noticeably. Metabolism slows, recovery takes longer, and the effects of past habits begin to show. The biggest mistake here is thinking that the same routine from your 20s or 30s will continue to work. Common mistakes in your 40s. Skipping health screenings. Blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and hormone levels become more important. Early detection of issues like high blood pressure or thyroid problems can prevent serious complications. Neglecting strength and flexibility. Muscle mass naturally declines after 40. Incorporating resistance training twice a week and regular stretching improves posture, reduces injury risk, and supports metabolism. Ignoring stress management. Chronic stress affects your heart, weight, and mental health. Even 10 minutes of meditation, deep breathing, or a brief walk daily can make a big difference. Poor nutrition habits. Portion sizes creep up and metabolism slows. Emphasize fiber, lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid crash diets, which can harm long-term health. Social isolation. Relationships are crucial for mental and emotional health. Regular connection with friends, family, and community reduces stress and promotes happiness. Pro tip: make small adjustments. Take 10,000 steps a day. Lift weights or use resistance bands twice a week, and incorporate stretching after workouts. Schedule time for friends and hobbies. Your mind and body will thank you. Mistakes in your 50s. Your 50s are a critical time for prevention and longevity. Many people assume it's too late to change habits, but it's never too late to take control of your health. Common mistakes in your 50s. Ignoring balance and mobility falls, and injuries become more common. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or simple balance exercises improve stability and confidence. Neglecting diet quality. Focus on heart and brain health with whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Reduce sugar, refined carbs, and excessive salt. Avoiding regular medical checkups. Screenings for bone density, heart health, and cancer are essential. Staying proactive can detect problems early when they are more treatable. Skipping mental health support. Depression, anxiety, or memory issues can appear at any age. Therapy, social engagement, and mental exercises can keep your mind sharp. Neglecting hobbies and joy. Emotional wellness matters. Pursue interests, learn new skills, and spend time doing what you love. Happiness is linked to longevity and overall health. Pro tip: walk daily. Include resistance training, practice balance exercises, and keep your mind active through reading, learning, or creative hobbies. Extra tips for all ages, no matter your age. Some habits always benefit your health. Move daily. Even a 20-minute walk or light activity helps circulation, mood, and metabolism. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery, focus, and hormone regulation. Eat whole foods. A balanced diet supports energy, immunity, and long-term health. Manage stress. Daily meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies help maintain mental and emotional balance. Stay connected. Strong social bonds improve mental health and resilience. Remember, your health isn't just physical, it's mental, emotional, and social. Treat it like the investment it is, and your future self will thank you.